Welcome to Miami. We are in Brickell right now. Decided to rent a apartment on booking.com. Doing that was cool because then we came to this area close to the cruise port. We're going on a cruise tomorrow, taking you guys on it with me. We're gonna go to Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and St. Thomas Virgin Islands the next 7 days. So come with us on this journey. First piece of advice that everybody told me about cruising was make sure you get to the location of your cruise at least a day before your actual cruise so you don't get lost. So you already know your girl booked a place, and this is what the place looks like. I really loved it because it was open concept. It had a lot of great lighting, and it was extremely spacious for two people to relax, spread out, and enjoy themselves. There was a living room that was separated by a television divider. Also had a kitchen with a stove, sink, dishwasher, fridge, microwave, a place to eat, and also a laundry room as well, which was very convenient and had everything we needed to prepare for our cruise. Now, we only stayed here for one night. We paid $297 for it, which was quite steep, but for the location and the proximity to the cruise terminal port, it was a steal deal, and we booked it really last minute. So next time I would definitely book it way more in advance to have a more affordable rate. This was the view at night. It was absolutely phenomenal. I really loved the bright lights and being able to see the clouds. We were on the 15th floor, so we had a lot of great views. Now, these were the rooftop views the next day, right before our embarkation. We ended up going here early in the morning to relax on the lounge chairs and also see what was there. We had a really nice gaming area. They had, I don't know what this game is called. Please tell me in the comments, guys, but they have that game there. More lounging and a place where everybody could relax. We met some really cool people who lived in the apartment. They were super friendly. We also met some people who were going on the cruise. So I'm guessing this location is very popular for cruisers to come and stay. It was a lot of Airbnbs in this area. Really enjoyed this Airbnb, and I will leave a link in the comments for anybody who wants to stay at this accommodation before their next cruise. I really enjoyed this place, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is going on a cruise. I will leave all the details below, and the next episode is going to be all about Embarkation Day. For anybody who is going on the cruise for the first time, this is going to give you all the details you need to know about how embarkation works, which is basically boarding the ship. And stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's episode, and I can't wait to show you more of our Carnival Celebration cruise.